Hey, this is bed talk. I get blamed for a lot of sex in bed. I get blamed for it. Nobody asks me straight up. I just get blamed. And maybe a lot of y'all get blamed too for stuff. But I get blamed for a lot of sex in bed. So I decided to lay down in the bed and get an image of me laying in the bed. So for whatever fantasy you want to create that you don't ask me personally about, you can let your own imagination run in the direction you want it to go. But I get blamed for a lot of sex in bed. So if I have a lot of sex in beds, what does Lil Bootsy, 50 Cent, Usher, Nick Cannon, Israel Alba, Dr. Dre, Young Jeezy, T.I., Project Pat, Crazy Bone, what do they get? So I get blamed for a lot of sex in the bed. It's not true. Okay, for the record, it's not true. I get accused of a lot of stuff. And people are creating their own conclusion. It's not true. A lot of times I don't feel sexy anyway. So it's not like that. So let me kill the fantasies, the allure, the fakeness that anybody may have deposited into their brains about me. It's not true. Okay? I know most people don't care, but I just wanted to do a video because there's a hiccup in the conversation. For some, there's confusion. For me, I'm just trying to clear the air. I'd rather try to do things the right way and just earn a lot of money. But how do you do that? So I'm actually getting ready to start changing, tweaking the way I do stuff. So this is me doing this video laying in the bed here and saying about sex in the bed. So anyway, I love y'all. Much respect.